Before we start our opening presentation, pwede ko po ba kayong tumayo muna lahat katulad ng ginagawa nyo ngayon. Pwede po ba akong makahingi ng malakas na palakpakan? Yan na. O yung mas malakas pa, yung may kasama si Gawon! Ayan, mukhang energy naman pala yung ibang bisita natin. So now, I'm Daddy and Mommy, are you ready na? So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would like to present to you the birthday boy. Please welcome. Palakpakan niyo naman po our baby Kurt Andre. Everybody sing. Day to you. Everybody. Yeah, sabay-sabay. And of course, together with me, Daddy Randy and Mommy April. Palakpakan niyo naman po sila ng malakas. Everybody sing sabay-sabay! Happy birthday to you! Everybody! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sa lahat ng guests! One more time! Yung malakas pa! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Once again, palakpakan niyo naman po ang Mommy and Daddy. Stop the music and everybody remain standing for our opening prayer. Pero bago yan, i-blow na po ni Mommy and Daddy and of course our birthday boy. Kaya itulog po yung ating candle. So now, magbibigay po sila ng message and wishes later. Yan, ready? Sir, samahan po natin. Video po natin. Ready? Gonna blow in 3, 2, 1, go! Palakpakan niyo naman po. And of course, ayan, everybody remain standing for our opening prayer. Pero bago yan, pakinggan po natin ang welcome remarks ni Mommy and Daddy para sa mga dumating na bisita. And of course, message and wishes na din po para kay PB Kurt Andre. Palakpakan niyo naman po. Sinong uunahin natin?